So hi guys, hi hello. In this video, we are going to be learning about Bhagat Singh. So as you can see, this is the image of Bhagat Singh. This is Bhagat Singh. He is Shaheed Bhagat Singh. If somebody dies for a country, then we call him Shaheed. Or if he died for a country, we call him Shaheed. And in very young age, he had death sentence. In very about 23 years, he was sentenced for death, and he was a freedom fighter. So when was he born? So he was born on 27 September 1907, and this is the time about the 1900 when the Britishers ruled us. I know you have heard about Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, so they're freedom fighters. So even Bhagat Singh is a freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh is a freedom fighter. So even he is a freedom fighter like Gandhi and many other freedom fighters. So he was born in Lahore. Now it is in Pakistan. It is not in India. It is in Pakistan. It is not in India. It is in Pakistan. It is not in India. It's in Pakistan right now. And Jallianwala Bagh. So it is a Bagh. In the festival of Baisakhi, there was a meeting in Amritsar, and remember it is in Amritsar, not in Lohar. General Dyer took all his army and shot all the people, and believe me, many of them just jumped in the nearby well. It would be so painful for them, and it will be, and so painful it was, and those people didn't do anything. Nothing they did, but still, General Dyer simply just killed all of them. So Bhagat Singh went to Jallianwala Bagh, and remember, he's in Lohar, Pakistan, and Amritsar is about here, somewhere here. So it will be almost some 100 kilometer. He walked that much distance. He walked that much distance and took a bottle inside. He filled all the blood and all the sand inside it. And now, after 10 years, meet with Chandrasekhar Azad. So, Chandrasekhar Azad is such a true freedom fighter, and you could, he's a really true freedom fighter. And after 10 years, he went out of Lahore and went to Madhya Pradesh. And Madhya Pradesh, Chandrasekhar Azad lived, and he met Chandrasekhar Azad, and he was a true freedom fighter. Joining Hindustan Republican Association, and this is really important. Hindustan Republican Association. After that, it was called Hindustan Socialist Hindustan Socialist Association. Hindustan Socialist Republican Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. After that, it was called Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. And Bhagat Singh joined Hindustan Republican Association, and even there Chandrasekhar Azad was there, and they would fight for the freedom in that party or association you can call. And here are the members of Hindustan Republican Association: Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev, Ram Prasad Bismil, Roshan Singh, Ashfaq Khan, Rajendra Lahiri, Batukeshwar Dutt, and Jatinda. Now, Kakori conspiracy. So there was really less money in the Hindustan Republican Association. So Ram Prasad Bismil came up with the plan to loot the treasure of Kakori train, and we should not use the word loot because this even Britishers were really bad. They would take all our money. They would take all the diamonds. So that's why they thought that we can use all this money instead of giving it to all these Britishers. So that's why all the money they took it. But in the Kakori train they went. They didn't kill anyone, but by mistake, Chandrasekhar Azad shot a girl. But the Britishers just caught 9 members, and they gave them a punishment as death sentence. And even Ram Prasad Bismil, and he was the leader of Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Sanders murder case. So when Simon Commission came to India, Bhagat Singh protested against the Simon Commission with Lala Lajpat Rai. Now who is Lala Lajpat Rai? You remember that Gandhiji made a when Gandhiji made a non-violence to fight for the freedom. They made a long non-violence party. So then, but then they cancelled it because of Chori Chora. Because of Chori Chora, they cancelled it, and Lala Lajpat Rai, everyone left their jobs. Kids left their schools. They thought that now we will get freedom, but they didn't. So that's why Lala Lajpat Rai, he made he made all schools, colleges, and jobs for everyone. Schools. He made school, colleges for everyone. Bhagat Singh was really angry and he made a plan, and then J.P. Sanders killed Lala Lajpat Rai. So Bhagat Singh was really angry. He made a plan. He tried to kill Sanders with Chandrasekhar Azad and Rajguru and Sukhdev and Jai Gopal. And Jai Gopal, I will tell you after that what happened. So then he Bhagat Singh got really angry. He killed J.P. Sanders. He killed J.P. Sanders, and then Chandrasekhar Azad shot him one bullet. Bhagat Singh shot him 5 bullets, and Rajguru shot him 2 bullets, but nobody was caught. Now bomb attack. Batukeshwar Dutt and Bhagat Singh threw a low intensity bomb in the assembly hall. And in the assembly hall there many people were sitting. So just imagine that here people there was a man, he was sitting here, and there was a free space here. So what they did when Bhagat Singh was sitting here, he threw it only to when this all was seats, they were not full, but only in one place where it was khali, so that nobody could get hurt. He threw it only here because there were no seats here. Here there were no seats. Here you can see here there were no seats. With Batukeshwar that they threw the bomb, 2 bombs they threw, and they shouted Inqilab Zindabad, Angrez Shahi Murdabad. So and the police caught him and Dutt. Now the group broke up. I'm going to tell you the story how all the Hindustan Republican Association group broke up. After they threw the bomb, they were sentenced for life prison. But Jayagopal told the Britishers about the whole group did, and except Azad, everyone got caught. So I was telling you that Gopal told everybody, and now Gopal was saved. He actually died in 1985. But Jayagopal, he was really bad, and Bhagat Singh was good actually. He told everyone about what happened. Except Azad, everyone was caught, and now hunger strike. When hunger strike. When the whole group was in jail, they got to. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry for this a mistake. When the whole group was in jail, they got 2 years in jail and death sentence. I'm sorry, there should be a space here between sentence and they. So yeah, as I was saying, they got death sentence and 2 years in jail. They did a 64 days hunger strike against the British because they were treating them really bad. They were not giving them good food. And then they were not. And remember, 64 days is so much. Nobody will even be alive if he does 64 days. But still, there's a woman. She did about 16 years of hunger strike, and that is the longest hunger strike recorded in the world. And then because of that, Jatin Da passed away. And now death. Bhagat Singh was hanged with Rajguru and Sukhdev. Bhagat Singh used to say, Inqilab Zindabad, Angrez Shahi Murdabad. It means that India Zindabad, India should go high, but Angrez should go low. Angrez Shahi Murdabad, not bad. So bye guys, bye. Please like, share and subscribe this video.